Hey guys, welcome back to Joseph Motors. I want to add another Chevrolet that we've got here. This is a 2015 four-door 2500. Really nice truck. Of course, it comes in silver. This is a 6.0 liter gas that we've got. This thing is in really nice shape. This is a clean truck. It's going to have the extended cabs, tow mirrors down the side, 10-ply tires. I'm just rolling down the side of that truck. Now, all these trucks are one owner, clean Carfax units from all rust-free environments from all over the country. It's going to have the Silverado side step, or the caps on the top here with a nice bed liner in the back. Let Johnny go on the inside here and give you a quick view. But again, it's going to be, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, nice safety package with the airbags and stuff that are in this vehicle. If you have any questions on this unit, we'd love to hear from you. You can give me a call at 919-661-2886, 919-661-2886, or visit our website at josephmotorsnc.com. Again, my name is Nick Watson, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.